Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir. You will accept that it is really hard to follow such speech. Right? I was first in the order tonight. I should have spoken first. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. The U.S. Haitian Chamber of Commerce, all of you who are here tonight. When I received the email about this award, I said to myself, I've only been here barely a year, and I don't know many people in Boston. Why am I selected for this tonight? And it took me 5 minutes to go back and think why this thing happened. It happens because what I do back in Haiti and the reason why I'm here is a breach of hope of connecting all of you back home. I was not born here, but I'm extremely happy to be here. I left Haiti only last year to seek knowledge. Now I'm integrated in the Harvard community and I work as a director at MIT. And I work with entrepreneurs all around the world. But that have never stopped me from giving back home. This video that was played was a bit old. I'm older than 31 now. But don't worry. What Bunge represents for me and what I wanted to represent for all of you here is the definition of what being a patriot means. You don't have to be in Haiti morning and night to be giving back to Haiti. And that's my message for you. Last year was actually our biggest year ever. In the past 5 years, we've been working with Bunge. We have trained tens of thousands of entrepreneurs. We have distributed $500,000 in grants, helping startups, young Haitians with dreams, trying to create something. Now the question is, what are you doing to give back? And it doesn't take you to travel to Haiti only. It can also be connecting with people on the internet. Go on Zoom, train people. I've met so many Haitians here who are running education programs, who are donating to causes. Being a patriot is what this award represents tonight. And I'm here to tell you that being a patriot is not about being in Haiti only. Being a patriot is about giving yourself to Haiti, Amen. Giving your resources to Haiti. And it's not just money. It can be much more than that. Please build meaningful connection with Haitians. Don't look them up. Build meaningful relationships, because that's the only thing that can move this country forward. Tonight, I'm offering myself to you. I'm going to be here in the networking area. Please use me, use my network, use all these connections that I have back home, and please leverage that to help Haitians, because they also need to grow their mindset. They also need to grow their resources, because this revolution is going to happen. Thank you.